Hey y'all, thank you for joining my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey y'all, listen, today I'm cooking for this man. Gotta cook this man dinner. So today we're having cheesesteak egg rolls. Hope you like it. I hope you like the video. I hope this man enjoyed this meal because I ain't cooking no more today, y'all. All right, check you later. Okay, so y'all sit back and relax. I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine while I'm cooking because everything tastes good when you're tipsy. You ready for this meal, baby?
Oh, yes.
All right, gonna pick you back up in a few. Let's go.
It really is.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope that I gave you some ideas for a dinner night. It's simple. A little time consuming, but it's good. Don't forget to like, share, please subscribe to my channel for fashion, DIYs, or just my lifestyle. Simple. I love y'all, and I thank those of you who have been watching, viewing my video. But don't just watch it, y'all. Like it. And remember, cook for your man, because I'm going to feed this man. All right? Bye.